Hello everyone, Vaughn Marie here and welcome back to the Imagine Crafts YouTube channel. So we are going to play with some pretty inks today and make a spring slimline card. So this is a Unity Stamps Company Slimline Layering Tulips rubber stamp that I'm going to place in my Misty stamping tool, and I'm just going to use some ink here, and we are going to ink up this beautiful rubber stamp with some white cardstock. I believe this is 110 pounds, and I was just trying to get it straight for this rubber stamp. This is the first time I'm using this stamp, and it didn't want to stick the first time. I'm using some Memento Tuxedo black ink, and I love this ink for stamping. I use it all the time. I mostly love it for my alcohol inks, but I wanted to try it with some stencils today. And so I'm just getting a good impression, and it's a big stamp, so I want to make sure that everything is inked up with a good black dark ink there. And I have my Imagine Crafts mat that I got, so I'm so excited to have that. And this is a 3-piece layering stencil that I got with the stamp set when I first bought it. And I don't remember how long ago I bought this stamp set with stencils, but I thought it was a good time to use it for a spring card. So I'm just trying to line up the flowers, or actually the leaves here. And I'm going to use my magnets with my mat, and I'm using some Brilliance inks, and this is lime. It's really pretty. I really love this lime color. So perfect for spring leaves or any kind of flower leaves here. And I'm definitely going to be using this ink a lot more for my future projects, because I was just blown away by the color. I thought it was going to be more minty, and then when I seen it was like the perfect leaf color, I was so excited. So just using a blending brush and inking that up there, and trying to go soft and not do too much shaking on the camera here. And so here is what it looks like. Really pretty. It would look really pretty if you left as is, but I'm going to get out my sponge daubers here, and you can get all these products at Imagine Crafts, and I will put all my links to these products down below for you. And this color is sunflower yellow. Isn't it pretty? I love this yellow color, and I had fun just using my sponge dauber here on my finger and just simply ink blending these pretty tulips. There is a third layer to this tulip, and so you will see I will grab another ink, and you can do different colors for these tulips, so it could be a nice bouquet, but I was going just for yellow. I really love yellow on cards, and this is the perfect yellow. So I was super excited for this card today. And so here it is. I will share what it looks like, and so I'm trying to figure out what color can I use, and I don't have that many of these Brilliance inks. I have to build my supply, so I am going to grab another ink from Imagine Crafts and see what I can do. So I grabbed Memento Dandelion, but it didn't show very well, and it kind of looks like orange, but it was really light. So I'm going to use VersaFine Clair, and this color is Summertime, and really, really pretty. It is orange, just like it looks there. And it gave me just enough shadow for, or dimension on this tulip that I needed. And I absolutely love how it looks. So that was just so great. And VersaFine Clair has so many beautiful ink colors. I'm going to have to stock up on those as well. So look how pretty this looks. I love it. So I cut it down a little bit to fit my slimline card here. And my card base is 8 by 3.5. So my panel here is just a slightly smaller. And so I'm going to be gluing that with some liquid glue, and I'm going to add it to my black card base, and I thought it looked good with black. I don't use black card bases too often, but I really think that it stands out really good with this tulips stamped and inked background. And you can leave it blank, you can put any sentiment, anything would go with this card, and I think it looks really springy. So I'm going to add a sentiment from my stash that's already stamped, or actually it's a Betterpress impression, so, or I guess inked impression. So here it is. There's a something good in every day, and I thought that was perfect, and I'm going to add that with some foam tape and put that on. And it was trying to get away from me. I added some liquid glue as well, and so I'm just going to place that on my card here. And then I'm going to embellish a little differently this time. So I am going to grab some irRESISTible Pico Embellisher in gold. So I had sequins, but I changed my mind. So isn't this pretty? I've never used this before, and I thought, wow, that will look really nice if I add some drops. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I am just going to place drops like I would my sequins, but I'm going to add a lot more, and when it dries, wow, it's just so beautiful. I love the way it feels. They're just raised drops, and I have my card here, so I'm filling it as I'm telling you that. And so I would suggest you grab some of this gold. I think there's other colors as well, and this gold is just perfect and will last a long time. And it's just like a bottle, just like the all point glue. I think I said that right. And I will share a close-up. Here it is. So thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.